We're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. The 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. We're going to look at the fitness center. This is what it looks like. This is pretty cool. We're on the second floor, and we just saw the co-working area, and now this is literally right next to it. So let's see the fitness center. Let's walk in. This is what it looks like. Okay, wow, decent size. I do like all of the mirrors that are here. That's really, really cool. Love the mirrors that are here. I love the treadmill that's here. This is cool. I love I love that I walked in and it just became light. That's really cool. So it's got a motion activated light. Those are some really cool looking treadmills. There's a Stairmaster, rowing machine, ellipticals, spin bikes over there, some dumbbells that are here, punching. That's pretty good. So it's got some more sophisticated equipment. I like that. It does have a Smith machine that's over there. That's cool. But then over here, it's got some machine-ish stuff that you can use. You can do some pull downs over there, lat pull downs. You can do some leg press, I guess, right there. And you can pull down here too, so that's pretty cool. And then this is kind of a studio area. The studio area has this echelon too, so that echelon is pretty cool. Self-workout too. All right, so this is the fitness center. It smells good, it looks good, it's new, it's nice. I think you're gonna like it. Hey, we're about to go visit the third floor. The third floor has the pool, so we're going to see that in just a minute. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Hey, I'm Grant Bynum, and I'm with Uptown 101.